To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us discuss one more last problem in the type 3, okay? But in this problem, there is one additional calculation which you need to do, that is increase in the liability. So that one thing I'll teach you in this particular problem. Rest all first 4 steps what we were solving, it is the same. A company borrows, okay, one word is missing here. Company borrows $10,000 at 4% interest on 1st April. On 31st March, the exchange rate is 89. So on 31st March, the exchange rate is 99 rupees. On 1st April, it is 85 rupees. Okay. For a similar Indian currency loan, if the same loan was taken in India, the rate of interest was 11%. So we need to now calculate the increase in liability as well as borrowing cost. So the first step will be calculation of interest on foreign loans. So total we have taken $10,000 into 4% into, we have to take closing rate, that is 89 rupees, because when we will pay the interest at the end of the year. At the end of the year, the rate is 89 rupees. ಯಾಕೆ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಲೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಡೇಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಟ್ಟೋ ದಿನ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ರೇಟನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಟ್ಟೋ ದಿನ ರೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ 89 rupees. So we consider here 89 rupees. 10,000 into 4% into 89 rupees will give you the sum of 35,600. Next, step 2. Calculation of interest on Indian loan. So same $10,000 into, in India the rate of interest is the rate 11% into, here we will take 85 rupees because in India the same rate continues. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಲೋನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರ, ಅವತ್ತು ಏನು ಬೆಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರೋ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಲಿ ನೀವು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟೋದು. ಸೊ 85 rupees remains the same. 10,000 into 11% into 85 rupees will give you the answer, that is 93,500. Now step 3 is nothing but very simple. It is calculation of difference. So it is nothing but step 2 minus step 1. Step 2 is 93,500 minus step 1 is 35,600. The answer will be 57,900. Next we need to calculate step 4. What is that step 4? Calculation of borrowing cost. So the answer is step 1, foreign loan plus step 3, that is difference. Step 1, how much step 1? It is 35,600. 35,600 plus step 3 is 57,900. 35,600 plus 57,900 will give you the sum of 93,500. This is the borrowing cost. But in question they have asked you to calculate the increase in liability. So the difference, increase in liability is also kind of difference. So step 5, calculation of increase in liability. So it is very simple. Total we have taken $10,000. The highest rate is 89 minus lower rate is 85. So 10,000 into 4 rupees is the difference. So what is the liability? It is increased. 40,000 is the actual liability increased. ಸೊ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ $10,000 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇರೋದು. 89 ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಟಿನ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, 85 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗಿದ್ದಂಥ ರೇಟ್, ಅದೆರಡು ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ? 4 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಸೊ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಡಾಲರ್ಸ್ 4 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 40,000. So this is about the type 3 problems. Hope you have understood about the type 3 problem. If you have understood, please put in the comment box. If you have any doubts in the type 3 problems, please ask your doubts and queries in the comment box. I'll be happy to respond to your doubts and queries. In my next video, I'll come back with the type 4 problems. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.